I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my April Trunk Club box. So as you can see, I got a lot of spring pieces in this box. And yeah, let's start off with the shoes because I only got 2 pairs of shoes, well, 2 pairs of heels. So the first pair of heels that I got is from this Camuto. But I really like these heels a lot. Like, these are super cute. I do like how the heel is pretty thick, which means that it'll be very easy to walk in. Unfortunately, I do have a pair of heels that are very similar to these, but they're a little bit taller, and I don't really wear those, so I don't want to get these, so that way I don't really wear them. So the last pair of heels that I got are from Madden, and I guess these are the ballerina strap heels. I don't really know what they're called, but you're supposed to wrap these straps around your legs. I really like the color of these heels, so like if they just didn't add the straps and just left it like a regular heel with like just a regular strap, then I'll probably get it because I love Madden a lot. Yeah, this is a constant struggle I don't like. Okay, let's move on to the wrap. So the first thing that I got is from Faithful, the brand, and it's this really pretty seafoam crop top, but it's like a tube. It's like in the description it said that it was like a crop top, but I like say it's like more of a tube top since it doesn't have no straps, and it's like a linen material and it's super cute. The buttons are sewed in so you can't unbutton them, which I don't really mind. I do like how it like stretches out. It is pretty tight around my breast area, which is cool, but it is very open and loose towards the bottom, which I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I've seen on the model that it comes with pants, like matching pants. So I wish that my stylist would have sent me the pants just so I can see how it looks with the shirt. Overall, am I keeping this? No, because this shirt costs $139, and I'm like, that's just a lot of money. So the next 2 items that I got are both from Reformation. Well, this one I guess is in the Reformation jeans line, and this is like the regular Reformation line. Let's start with the top first. So I do like how it fits me, especially around my breast area. I don't really like where the straps are placed because it kind of looks weird, and the straps are pretty long, which makes it loose on my shoulders since I have small shoulders. The material is very stretchy. It does feel a little bit heavy though. I honestly am not getting the shirt. Moving on to the skirt. So the skirt is all black with daisy prints on it. I was actually very excited when I seen that I was receiving this in my box. After trying it on, I realized that it is very thin. And let me tell you guys this, majority of Reformation's clothes are very thin, okay? I have a couple of Reformation clothes, so I can't be like all Reformation and like all that stuff. But I do feel like for the prices, because majority of their stuff is over $100, I feel like their clothes should be like not as thin as they are, because this is very thin. Like, I would have to wear like a slip. At least it's not see-through. At least like, yeah, it's kind of see-through a little bit. So I'm not keeping this. It is very cute. I like it a lot. I like the concept. I love the slit right here. I just don't like how thin it is. So the next item that I got is from Love 5, and it's this tube bodysuit, and I absolutely love the color. I think this is such a pretty light pastel lavender color. I don't like the top of the bodysuit because what it does, it squeezes, since it shows the elastic band, it squeezes my breast area and makes it look really weird. Like, I hate when I see those type of shirts because it just makes your boobs really weird. It makes them look like a different type of shape. I don't like it. It's not even that comfortable too. It's extremely tight. So not only does it look weird, it's like squeezing me. Alright, next I got these Levi shorts. So I like the style of these. I like how they're distressed at the bottom. I also like how they're not booty shorts, because I'm not gonna lie, my stylist did send me some booty shorts. But around the waist area is pretty loose. Like when I bend down, you can definitely see how loose it is. I'm still conflicted on whether or not I want to keep this because I don't have any shorts. These are pretty cute. I do like how they look on me, but they're not really comfortable to like sit in really. So next I got this long sleeve shirt from BP. This shirt is very thin, is lightweight, which is nice. I do like how it has the lettuce trim at the bottom. Only thing is that this is see-through and I would have to wear like a special bra for it. I also like these type of shirts that have this type of like neckline because it makes my boobs look really nice. So if it wasn't like very see-through, if it wasn't see-through and if I wasn't so afraid to get it dirty, I would keep it, but yeah, no, I'm not keeping it at all. Okay, next I got this white dress from Leaf bodycon dress. It scrunches up on the left side and it has a little slit at the bottom, like a flower slit I would say. So I don't really like this dress because the top part, it looks like a tube top because you have these trimmings on the sleeves and the trimming on the neckline. So if you just like cut it off, you can just basically wear like a crop tube top. And then I also don't like the material because it feels like a t-shirt material and it feels pretty weird. Also the top part is pretty loose on me. And this is an extra small too. So the next item that I got is also another dress and it's from ASTR, the label, and I love the color. It's like a plum mauve color. This would be really nice to wear to like a formal event. Only thing is that the straps are pretty loose on me. That's like a common problem that I have, is that the straps will be pretty loose since I have small shoulders and small arms. If I did keep this, I would have to tailor the straps and I don't really feel like doing that, so we're just not going to keep it at all. So the next item I got is from Topshop and it's this denim cropped jacket, and I don't know, first of all it's pretty stiff, but what I usually like to do is put like stiff jackets or stiff pants into my dryer for like 20 to 25 minutes and that will like help it like loosen it up. But I didn't do that to this jacket because I don't know if I was gonna keep it or not. So I like my denim jackets to be oversized. Like I already have a denim jacket from Topshop that's oversized and I absolutely love and I wear it all the time. But I don't know, I just wasn't in love with it, and I don't want to get it in like a bigger size and then they send it to me and I don't love it, you know. So the last item that I got is from Topshop and it's acid wash pink denim jacket. I was really curious about this because I love the color of it, and I do like how it's cropped, but I just don't like how it looked on me. I just wasn't feeling it. I think I'm just so in love with the other denim jacket that I got from Topshop that I'm just like, you know, I just can't commit to another denim jacket. But it is pretty cute. I do like the color of it. I just wasn't fully in love with it. So that's all the items that I got in my April Trunk Club box. I know that I said that I'm not keeping majority of the stuff. I do really like what my stylist sends me. I just don't like how it looks on me, and sometimes the pricing, you know, could be a little bit pricey. But I do like how my stylist does send me a lot of different clothing that I normally wouldn't pick out for myself, which is really nice. It's just unfortunately like I just don't like the way it looks on me, so therefore I'm not going to purchase it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. It's so high.